So right now I'm gonna show you how to make like a quick everyday face, cause I gotta go to my mom's house. I don't really have time. First I'm going to prime my face with the Pixie Flawless Beauty Primer. This is everything like trial size, because my boyfriend took my makeup and he lives out of Miami. He lives in the same state, but like 4 hours away. So I had to use stuff I had from before. My beautiful friends helped me get some makeup for now while he brings it back. So yeah, right now I applied the primer, and then I'm gonna use my favorite foundation. Well, I have from drugstore. It's the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my color is Warm Honey 322. Actually, he has my lighter. I have two shades, a lighter one and a darker one. Because when it's sunny here, well, it's always sunny in Miami, but when for the summer I went a lot to the beach, so I got it darker. I had to get a darker foundation. Put it all over the face. I like to use my brush, but he has it, so this helps so much. I love this foundation, and it lasts like 8 hours or more. Yesterday I put it at 9 and it was 9 and it was still in my face when I took it out with the makeup remover. It was very intense. Okay, so we do that. For now, I'm not going to put anything in my eyes because it's like a quick makeup, but I am going to do my cheeks. So I have the Bobbi Brown blush in Apricot. I love this brush. It has so much pigmentation, but I do it with this brush right now, and it doesn't leave it really red, but it does help a lot. And use a little hint of blush. Got it. I'm gonna go dye my hair today, and then we have Pixie Beauty Bronzer in Summertime color. Put it right there. And contouring kind of. What I miss the most is my eyelash curler. From the stuff he has is my eyelash curler and my highlighter. I miss that so much. Okay, and then let me do some lips. I'm going from Ipsy. I got this Urban Decay Vince lipstick trial, and it has a bunch of colors, but I got this color. It's called Velvet. And then I'm gonna use this. I gotta go. I love to use this brush just because it's like using lip pencil. It's like using lip pencil, but better because it's the same exact color as the lipstick you're using. So it helps define the lips very much. This one, I tried it before, the same lipstick from from Urban Decay, and it didn't really last long. I think it's because it's very glossy, so it's not very long lasting. Does it say anything about that right here? I don't think so. It's called High Color Lip Gloss. It says 24/7, but it doesn't say it lasts very long. Nope. Maybe I was expecting too much from that. And then, what else? My eyelashes. My eyelash curler, I miss it. Okay, go ahead. This is the Tarte. I know it's the Lex Camera Lashes and I love it. I had it a long time ago and I just love it. It's raining today, so there's not very much light coming through the window. It's a very rainy day. There you go. So, apply a little bit of eyeliner. That's my face for right now. What a difference. And then I'm gonna go out the way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, just comment down below anything. If you have any questions about the products I used or any recommendations, just go ahead and ask. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.